What's good? It's your boy Mustang Muscle 5.0 coming back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. Finally got the car repaired. If you look right here, they repaired all of this. As you can see, my stripes are gone. They had to replace the bumper. I got to keep my diode dynamics, didn't have to reorder those. We did get a new headlight because right in this area that was severed, that was broken, so they had to replace the whole thing. This was bent, that was scuffed, so they replaced everything. So now, like I told you guys, that I'm finna install the Cervini C-Series grille. I don't know if you guys can see down in there. Let me see if I can put a little light. But anyway, there's two 10mm bolts. I already did both sides. I want to try something new. I went on and pre-assembled the grill, so to speak. I put the mesh background on the grill, upper and lower. I want to see if I can be able to just skip certain steps, and if so, I recommend that, you know, when you guys order any grills that you have to assemble, I highly recommend that you just take the time out to just, you know, put it together, what you can put together before you start doing the install. Kind of like make your job a lot easier, because there's a lot of screws, a lot of bolts and all of that, and it's just be so time consuming. It's ridiculous. But I'm coming on in here, and as you can see, I got it already right here. I already done put the mesh on. I'm just waiting. I'm gonna put these anglers together while I'm waiting on the crack. And oh, here he comes. Oh, he's coming in hot. He's very loud. He finally put the car together. He's sounding real good. Look at him. Yeah. Look at that smile. You can see that smile from here. It's been a while since he done got that guy out there roaring. So yeah, I'm going to put this grill together. He ran off to grab some brake fluid for his brakes. I don't know if he's gonna do any kind of installation or repair to his brakes, but I am gonna knock this out, so next time you guys see me, well, I already disassembled. I thought you was in the Honda. My bad, man. Just park right there. Cause I might need to run somewhere, and I wanna get in the car. I ain't been in it in a while. Look, he don't like that shit. Hey, but see, he already knew I was coming, right? And all of a sudden, as I'm almost here, he says, "Hey man, I gotta run to the store, man, get some brake fluid. I'll be back in 5 minutes." This man had all day to get some brake fluid. Look at him, he still wanna just, I don't know, man. The guy is very impatient, man. I don't know why, man. I mean, this is his driveway. I mean, what's wrong with parking in that area? You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna take me but so long. Like, golly, you know. But anyway, I ain't gonna go through all that, you know. But I just wanted to let you guys know where I'm at. I'm finna jack the car up, get up under the bottom, unloose all 15 of those 7mm bolts at the bottom. And then, of course, I'm gonna get these out the way, which in this corner would be a 5.5. In this corner would be a 5.5. The rest of them are 8mm and push pins, and we'll get those out the way. And the bumper is coming off, and then we'll get to the assembly part. All right, y'all. All right, grab your little, yeah. See it right here. Shit, we'll go for now. All right, so this is the smart package shutter assembly. You're gonna have to take off. Yeah, put that right there. You're gonna have to take all of this off, and then I'll show. Oh, I don't even have. They didn't even put my bumper guard back. All right, we'll get to that. Okay, so I took the shutter assembly off. That will be this piece right here. This is what it looks like in the front. So take that piece off, you no longer need that piece. This the ambient temperature sensor, just detach that from that. We'll reattach it back once we get everything going. And then this part right here, I tucked away. I taped it off with electric tape. I tucked it away. I mean, it ain't going nowhere. Tucked it out of the way. We're not going to use that anymore. That was a connection to the shutter assembly. Now, unfortunately, I'm going to have to skip a step just because when they repaired everything, they didn't put my plastic reinforcement part that I would use 3M tape to stick right here. So I don't know how that's going to work, but I'm going to have to figure out. I guess I'll reattach it right just like that. I'll just stick that back up in there like that, and then that'll keep the ambient just like it's supposed to. Now I'm gonna have to put the bracket here, but then my pins are gone, so I'm gonna have to figure that out and make it work. But it's all good. I guess they got me ready for me to install the Cervinis on here. Well, like I say, it's a process. I had already, as you can see, the mesh, I had already did this. So now I just got to pop those out, slide those in, and then start putting the brackets on. But the angles, I got to put those together. I will hang them up on the lower right here, and the same on the other side. And then I will have these angle parts that I will attach to the hanger, and then attach it here. And then that's just, I guess, for some type of support. I really don't know. They didn't explain that part, but I do have the instructions. But I'll let you guys see the finished product before I start doing the other parts. All right, man. All done in a day's job work. Well, you know what I'm trying to say. But anyway, here's the finished product. Yes, sir. Mad Titan is coming on back to life, y'all. Yeah. Well, yeah, kind of dark. Okay, there y'all go. Y'all can see me. Yeah, so anyway, it took a lot longer than I expected because there were certain things that changed up on me, and then plus me being me, I didn't even go on to read the instructions. I went and got tricked by Bill and LMR with their shortcut edited videos, making it seem so smooth. But unfortunately, you know what I'm saying, there was certain parts that was missing, but it was fortunate enough for me because that was steps that was able to be skipped, which, you know, kind of sped it up, but it slowed me down because of the different hardware and the lack of tools for certain hardwares, stuff like that. But other than that, man, that's it, man. If you got everything that you need, man, and you prep and you get ahead, you read the instructions or whatever, you figure out how you want to do it in certain steps, because there were certain things that I was missing out of my kit that's not even installed, so that threw me off as well. So I just had to make do with certain things, which it still tightened everything up all together, but it was certain brackets that wasn't in the kit that was supposed to be in the kit. But anyway, there's no shade thrown at Cervinis or anything like that, but beside the fact that why do you got to go through all of this when it could just be plug and play like a RTR grill? But anyway, it is what it is. If you like this kind of content, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you share the video, also hit the like button, because that's going to help the algorithm get me out there and stuff like that. But other than that, man, do what you do. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, watching the video all the way through, just riding this journey with me. I'm starting all the way over from scratch. This is Mad Titan 3.0. Don't worry, this car gonna be super faster than the last one, but we're gonna actually have all what we need, so it'll be detailed and documented on the power numbers, on the quarter mile numbers. We're gonna do it all, because I have been wanting to join Danny at Danny Build Racing at the track events and the street car takeovers, stuff like that. But you know, I don't know, it just, some things just come up where I can't make these events, and I just want to see how fast my builds go with the way I put my builds together. But with that being said, man, thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you guys that are down with the Mustang Muscle family, the subscribers that's been sticking it out with me. But with that being said, Mustang Muscle out. Peace.